Welcome back to the Subtle Body Diaries. This is episode 2 of a 7-part series on energy healing through the chakras and subtle body. Today we're going to be talking about the energy center where so many of us lose ourselves, chasing money, chasing approval, chasing proof that we're enough. Whole time, our solar plexus chakra is out of alignment. This chakra governs your identity, confidence, and personal power. But did you also know it controls your ability to receive support and money? If money doesn't come through stress, exhaustion, or struggle, you may not trust it. You self-sabotage, overspend, or experience sudden emergencies. And when you do receive money, you get anxious or lose it quickly. You're actually teaching the nervous system that abundance is unsafe. And most people don't realize this, but your nervous system will block abundance if it thinks it's unsafe to receive. That's why this chakra matters. There was a season where I didn't rest until I felt I deserved it. I didn't feel good unless I was being productive or fixing people or being needed. I used to think being drained meant I was doing something right. That's solar plexus burnout. This chakra gets blocked when we're taught our value comes from being useful instead of just being. A blocked solar plexus chakra isn't just a confidence issue, it's an abundance block. So let's change that. So we're gonna do a mini ritual, something simple but powerful enough to reset the solar plexus. For this, we're gonna need a bowl of warm water. Then we will also need 1 tablespoon of salt. You can use sea salt or Epsom salt for this. So now that we have our salt, we're gonna add this to the water in a swirling motion. This water holds the energy to dissolve what I no longer need to carry. Now dip your hands into the water, then place them on the solar plexus or your upper abdomen and repeat. I release the belief that I must prove my worth. I am worthy of rest, love, and peace without effort. Now that we've cleared this energy center, physically, spiritually, and mentally, let's lock this in with a journal and prompt to help clear it emotionally. And here's your prompt. What would it feel like to earn money with ease and know I deserved it? Where in my life do I feel I have to prove my worth? You can pause the video here to write, reflect, or breathe through whatever comes up for you. Well, that was a different kind of healing today. We didn't just clear a chakra, we cleared a system of survival. One that said you can't rest, you can't receive, you're not enough unless. But you are, you've always been, and now your energy body knows it. All right, guys, if you've enjoyed this video, please like and share. Go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss episode 3 when we talk about the sacral chakra, emotional flow, and reclaiming pleasure. You won't want to miss it. See you in the next one.